Hi students, in this brief demonstration, we will explain how to place your first trade. Now on your dashboard, you should see the most frequent stocks. If you need further support, please feel free to open Mr. Rabbit. Let's go to the stock market section. And as you could see, by simply selecting stock info, information will now appear about the company that you would like to learn about. And once you've learned about the company and you need further guidance, please feel free to open Mr. Rabbit.
Step 2, the stock market section, will educate you about listed companies on the U.
Thank you, Mr. Rabbit. After that, we're going to go to the dashboard to put our first trade, and we are going to buy Microsoft. Let's go get started. Select Microsoft by typing MICROS. And as you could see, the platform will help you to spell the name correctly. There you go. Then you're going to see Microsoft on a chart. Yes, you're wondering what is a chart. But for now, we're going to get into how you buy a stock. You're going to come down where you see input volume. You're going to put 2. The system will calculate automatically for you. Okay? Right after that, let's go click buy. As you see, we've just bought Microsoft. Based on demand and supply on the international markets, your stock will go up and your stock will come down. Let's select Mr. Rabbit with ESG to have an idea what is ESG and how this could help you with your financial literacy and do further investing in the next series.